viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to tell you about Bitcoin. Let's talk about what is Bitcoin and feature of Bitcoin. First, talk about Bitcoin. Bitcoin is the first open source cryptocurrency in the world, also called it decentralized digital currency. It does not require any organization or third party for the transaction. Finally, it is not created or administered by any government in the world. In 2009, Satoshi Nakamoto introduced with Bitcoin. Bitcoin, also called peer-to-peer currency. This coin transmitted directly from the sender to the recipient or customer to the customer computer via the internet. This coin processed online through open source software. All transactions verified by the via cryptography, also registered publicly in a database that is open and distributed for all. Features of Bitcoin. Bitcoin, not a familiar currency system. It's not the same as a usual note printed on paper. It can't make with gold, silver or copper. In fact, Bitcoin is a digital currency. Its existence is restricted to the internet world only. No state or government can't control it. There is no recognized institution for controlling Bitcoin. Very short time done the transaction by Bitcoin. All the user are owner of his currency. Nobody else can take ownership. A user can use several accounts at a time. No need for personal information. Its transaction can be viewed from anywhere in the world, so there is no scope for any corruption. It is completely non-refundable. So if you make a mistake, you will not get a refund. Finally, the same transaction fee of any amount. Finally, the Bitcoin supply limited and above all 21 million Bitcoin coming in the world. By solving algorithm, you have to lift Bitcoin. It's called Bitcoin mining. Every 4 years, the production of Bitcoin is cut half, which is called Bitcoin halving. If the current rate continues, it will take 120 years for mining 21 million Bitcoin. At this time, when I talk about Bitcoin, 18 million plus Bitcoin mined. Probably the first Laulo Haynes, an American developer, bought 2 Papa John's pizza with 10,000 coin from another enthusiast of Bitcoin. This was the first purchase product with Bitcoin. He did not realize the feature of Bitcoin. Only 3 years later, price of each Bitcoin goes to $1,200. In 2008, the price of each Bitcoin goes to $20,000. If we calculate, 2 pizzas cost almost 20 million USD. Regret for Laulo Haynes. Currently, almost all the product in the world can purchase with Bitcoin. Most transactions of Bitcoin seen in dark web, cause in dark web, the only payment system is Bitcoin and Ethereum. Thanks for watching my videos. In future, I will give you more videos about cryptocurrency, which videos help you to make a better career with cryptocurrency. Please like, share, comment and subscribe our channel. Thanks.